Hello. If you found yourself at this video right now, it's because you paid money to get into our program, or you've gotten into our program for free, which those two things are going to change very soon, because our program has been a $7 program for a long time, and it's only been one payment for a long time. But I am waiting approval through ClickBank to turn this into a membership site. And what that's going to mean to you is you're going to have an ongoing payment, or people who sign up later is going to have a ongoing payment of $45 to get in there on a monthly basis, which basically is going to make you as an affiliate make a lot more money. Because if you get somebody into the program that pays $45 a month, and they can get one person into the program, basically they are breaking even. If they can get two people in, they're making some money. And three people, they've got a residual income. It all depends on how many people you can get into the program. But here's the thing. I know that if you just paid your money, let's say that you went to the second page over here and found yourself on this page, okay, that's the free webinar. And that's all the information. This page here. Okay, now here's what I wanted to show you. This site here is okay. There's where you would join our program for $7. And there you got the Abundance Network Partner with Tom membership. Okay. Yes, it's a membership, and it's only paid one time, but that's going to go up to $45 on a monthly basis. So, when you, a little bit more training going into on this page here, if you are seeing this video, and you should have seen the instruction video for this page, and how you pull this down here, and you've got all kinds of different things that your sponsor promotes through the Abundance Network and through Partner with Tom program. Okay, that's this menu right here. The menu that they go to over here at the multiple streams of income, where they can join, and they can get programs and everything the sponsor has. But the thing is, the main thing is, any of the programs that are outside of our realm, like ClickBank programs that are selling somebody else's product, this is your sponsors. This is right here is your sponsors menu for those programs. So if your sponsor gave you their username in those other programs, because I instruct everybody to, when you get a ClickBank account, get your ClickBetter account under the same name, same username. Get any outside thing that you, and with the exception of a few of the programs that we offer, like So Many Hits, which is a free program, of course, but if your sponsor has it, you want to sign up under your sponsor, and that is a number. Okay, so you're going to have to ask your sponsor what their number is in that particular case. And the best thing that I can tell you at this point is, if you go over to this page here for the second menu, and you got So Many Hits was supposed to be in there. I'm going to have to put it in there. I'm sorry. I'm going to add So Many Hits to this menu here, because every single product here has, when you go to that page, has a pre-page to it, okay, which you would put your sponsor's username in there, and basically I gave my username for that program, but that is a ClickBank, and so on that first page, if you got there when you were sent by your sponsor in the first place, you are going to basically, you're going to see a link in the status bar at the top of the page that has your sponsor's username in it. And that is what this video right here teaches you, to copy that link down, and as it says here, congratulations, we are glad you got here. I didn't put it in here for you to actually do that beforehand, because what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create enough curiosity in here that a person will stay on the pages and will actually look around, go to the different things here. I've got some things that are free in here, the Abundance Network group coaching and everything. If you go there, you're going to go basically up to the Abundance Coaching Network. I got 23 members in there right now. Need to get some of my other members in there that are affiliates of mine in the first place, because that's what we're doing there. We're doing affiliate marketing, and we're getting that out to people. Okay, so we have the multiple streams of income pages, coaching, video with Stefan Thomas. He you know, I'm just making that available to people. He charges $45 for it in the first place, only one time. Here's a free 3 days and 2 nights stay in a luxury vacation getaway. I can basically show this video, and you have a code that you put in there, and you can get that, but you can download the vacation certificate right there. It has a little bit different vacations in it. All right, well, I think I got about 5 minutes left on this video. We've got a lot of these products here. This is purely educational, okay, because this page has videos by Dave Sharp. They're very good videos. They're very they teach you a lot. I would highly suggest watching them all. Okay, so if you haven't done so, go back there and watch them. I've got free bonuses on here, so you know, go back to the page. If you didn't get your bonuses, then go down here and get your bonuses. There's all the bonuses. Look at that. There's thousands and thousands of dollars worth of bonuses on that page. I've got more bonuses. Yeah, no, that's the more bonuses. Let me see. Yeah, I gotta add the free bonuses in there. But 48-hour cash machine. This has got Vic Stryhouse teaching you a 48-hour cash machine for yourself. You start making money right off the bat with it and thing, and it's very educational. He's very good teaching. So, you know, this is just a plug for this, and I want you to go back to the page, view the whole page over and everything, especially now. Oh yes, and I do have those vacations available to you, but especially if you are already in the program, I want you to go back to the page and check it all out, and it's going to be well worth it for you. All right, so thank you.